Hello, I'm Jason Dragon from Emerald Computers, and we are a computer recycling company. So what we do is we take computers that businesses want to get rid of, and most of the time we buy them. We really try getting the high quality recycled components, the ones that are where we can refurbish them and resell them and be able to actually make some money on these systems. The really old stuff, honestly, is just scrap. Nobody wants to buy them, and it's just moving stuff around. Anyway, a lot of people call me asking about what do we have in stock? What type of computers do we have? So what I'm going to do right now is walk around our warehouse and give you a quick tour of what we have. So anyway, here's our warehouse. As you can see, we get a lot of various things in stock. We get everything from wires. These are Cat 5. We have brand new cases over here. We have monitors. Of course, we have computers. We also have a lot of new stuff in here because we do build a lot of new equipment. So for example, here's a pile that we just recycled. We just got in. These are all, the bottom four are servers. They do all work perfectly. The hard drives have been removed for data security. And then there's a couple computers on top. Here's a really nice Xeon computer. It actually works fine. And a gateway. Now let's go over here. So we do get TVs from time to time and monitors. So here are a couple computers that we have. So when it comes to Optiplexes, we have the Dell Optiplex 390, 380, 790, 780. We have an entire pallet of those. And then back here, we have another entire pallet of those. Over here we have all the gateways and e-machines and compacts. And then we have our monitors up here. This is all 17-inch monitors, and as you can tell, there's a lot of them. More 17-inch monitors right here. And then on the very top shelf up there we have some 15-inch monitors. We don't have very many. We stopped taking those a while back. Over there we have more 17-inch monitors. All in all, we have approximately 200 17-inch monitors. What I didn't show you is over there on our pallet wall, right there in the that little row all the way across. It's 3 monitors deep. So that alone is well over 100 monitors right there. Over here we have our section of 19-inch monitors. And they're all various makes and models. Everybody wants a spreadsheet, and everybody wants to know what models they are. But we get most of this from end users or small businesses that only recycle 2 or 3 at a time. So we have hundreds of different models. So that's why I'm making a video right here. So we're going to go back here a little bit. We have most of these desktops all sorted out. We are not selling these computers by the pound, so don't even bother asking about that. We are selling these individual units. Pretty much, I like people to make me an offer. You know, tell me, hey, I want 100 computers. I'll give you X number of dollars, and we'll get it ready to go. We're not selling them incredibly expensive. But anyway, as you can tell, there's a lot. The nicer computers we do take and we refurbish and we sell them in our retail store. For example, a computer like this is, it's an i3. We can actually easily get over $200 for that in our retail store. So we would be willing to sell it in bulk to somebody, but it's going to have to be a decent price because of how much we can actually get for them in our retail store. But some of the older computers we're more willing to give away. So here we have a pile of Lenovo's, and we have another pile of Dell Optiplexes, and then we have the HP Pro Series, a whole entire pallet of those. And then here we got, this is an interesting story, we got these from a company, SunGrow Reflectors 8-inch. They went out of business and they made us a deal we couldn't refuse. So we have 160 of these, all brand new in the box, though the boxes are a little bit damaged. Some of the boxes are fine, but they're all in pallets all the way over here. And then over here we have our printer section. So we have a whole bunch of, fairly new all-in-one type printers. And let me give you a little bit better view. So over here we have, mostly this pile is our inkjet printers. We have about 5 pallets of those. And then we have our whole bunch of stereo equipment here. We would really love to get rid of that. Stereo equipment, VCRs, DVD players, all that type of stuff. And then we have our rear projection TVs over here. And back there we have our giant printers, all the ones that, stand 4 feet tall. And then this whole section over here is laser printers. Unfortunately, they're a little bit buried. So if you see a model you like, let me know. So this is about 2 pallets wide, and it goes all the way back there. Over in the far back, we do have a whole entire pallet. You can kind of see it right there. We do have a whole pallet of servers right there. And then we have 2 pallets right here of scrap computers. Now these are the computers that will sell by the pound. So make us an offer on that. And then we're opening up a new store soon, so we bought a whole bunch of furniture. That's what this is. More printers way over there. Got a couple of those big boys, those HP ones, like that. Unfortunately, we got kind of buried in by all these grow lights. So we're hoping to get rid of those as fast as we possibly can. Over here we have a whole entire pile of chairs. So if anybody's interested in that. We recently boxed up an entire pallet worth of laptops for a company. We haven't actually shipped them out to them, but we're doing that here soon. So over here we're going to go through the laptop area, the monitor area. This is how we can get around those SunGrow items. Anyway, if you see anything you're interested in, here we have a whole bunch of laptop parts. These would definitely go well on eBay. Salvage those things out. Stacks of monitors. Here is another whole pile of DVRs and more stereo equipment and more monitors. So we're kind of buried. We're looking for somebody who can really just come, pick up these things, make us a great deal. We're not really looking for a very high price on these. We're mostly just looking to get some free space in our warehouse. But what I'm not looking to do is I'm not looking for somebody from out of state to call me and make me get it all ready to go. If they want to buy it, they need to send their rep over here, and their rep needs to get it ready to go, and their rep needs to pay us for what they're going to buy. I'm not interested in taking my manpower and my energy preparing everything. So of course we have more monitors over here. Here's those chairs again. Another pile of Dell Optiplexes, including some of the really nice ones up there. So anyway, if you see anything you like, let me know. We do have some nicer printers over here. They got this underneath all these chairs. There's actually a pretty large amount of really nice printers. All of the printers on this side of the room have been tested and they do work. So if you're interested in anything, my name is Jason. My phone number, let's turn it around. My phone number is 602-579-4919. That is my cell phone number. So if you're interested in getting any of these parts, any of this equipment, let me know, and we'll make a great deal. We're here in Peoria, Arizona, which is right next to Phoenix. So if you're in the area, that works out really well. We really are trying to get somebody to buy an entire 40-foot truckload. They could let us know what they want to buy. We'll get it ready to go. If you want to buy just pallets of stuff, we can definitely do that. I will tell you that most of the i-series desktop computers we are selling in our retail store. So unless you're giving me a really, really good price for it, I'm probably not going to be selling those. And other than that, pretty much everything is fair game. So if you need to get some computers to finish up your container or your pallets or whatever you're doing, let me know. Anyway, have a great day.